S-PRO Forecasting and Optimization Agent. Today, we're diving straight into how you can actually transform all that raw, everyday business data into real, actionable strategy. Let's start with a hard question. What do your weekly planning decisions actually cost you? Seriously, think about all those manual assumptions your team makes every single week. Those routine calls directly impact your revenue, your capacity, and ultimately your operational costs. It really adds up. But here's the thing, current planning usually falls short, and it's because of a fundamental disconnect. Usually, your internal data is kind of messy or incomplete. Plus, critical external demand signals, things like weather patterns, market activity, or search trends, they're completely missing from those manual spreadsheets. Well, this is exactly where the S-PRO agent steps in. First, it takes that existing messy data of yours. Then it enriches it with those missing external signals and actually trains custom machine learning models on your real business history. After that, it compares the results against historical data so you can actually trust the output. So what does it actually do? It specifically targets those recurring planning tasks that quietly drain your operations. We're talking about optimizing inventory management, staff scheduling, cinema scheduling, production planning, dynamic pricing, and long-term capacity planning. Let's look at a real-world example. Multiplex, Ukraine's largest cinema chain. They deployed the agent to intelligently optimize scheduling across their cinema venues. They used it to figure out exactly what films to show and exactly when to show them. The measured impact was absolutely massive. Multiplex saw a 5.2% optimization lift over just a 10-day period. I mean, that is real revenue unlocked simply by aligning resources to actual demand. But here is the crucial part. The agent doesn't just blindly generate a forecast. It visually benchmarks those forecasts against a 95% corridor built from twin control venues. Every single result is benchmarked against control data sets, meaning your teams see the real effect and prove the value before they ever act. And hey, this exact same logic applies across industries. Whether you're in cinema, retail, logistics, or energy, honestly, wherever your teams need to plan demand, inventory, pricing, capacity, or resources, the framework remains exactly the same. By automating these recurring decisions, the business outcomes become crystal clear. You get faster planning, better resource allocation, a much stronger ROI, and, for sure, significantly less guesswork. So I'll leave you with this one thought. Are you ready to stop the bleeding on those recurring decisions? The S-PRO Forecasting and Optimization Agent helps your teams turn that messy data into better decisions. Improve the value before you scale.
S-PRO. Explore together, build together.